Alright, so before we even get started, here she is. Got the Weber carb. Choke all set up. Everything's good. Pretty sure here's my main problem though. Got, where's it? There it is. Nice little hole in my line. Come from the heater core, so I'm gonna have to redo that. Dipstick always pops. I'm gonna run a compression test on it this afternoon. But here's what we got. Let's see if we can fire her up. Gauges work except for the oil, which I'll get to eventually. Let's see here. And this will pop there. I'm pretty sure that's a backfire. Doesn't quite want to idle right. I just pulled it out from down by the tractor. It looks like I'm a country bumpkin, but I promise I'm not. Nothing wrong with that though. Let's see if it'll idle. Not quite. Not yet, at least. But here's my question, if I can keep it running long enough. Damn it. Okay, well, we got a not 100% sure what it is. Thinking there's something in the head, but let's take two.